After depriving my body of Sobolo, today I'm back to making this refreshing drink for myself, only I'm making a sugar-free version. Yes, no artificial sugars, and with just a few ingredients, you can also enjoy this. In my saucepan, I have previously soaked Sobolo leaves or hibiscus leaves. Our Nigerian neighbors will call it Zobo. So I soaked it so that the color will enter the water very, very well. Okay. I'm going ahead to add in some pineapple peels. I'm going to be using the pineapple itself later, but the peels will also infuse the pineapple flavor into my Sobolo. Make sure to wash your pineapple really well before using it, okay? I also added in some cloves and I'm going to cover and allow it to boil over. So meanwhile, what I'm going to be adding are here, I have some pineapples, I have some dates, which I already removed the seeds from. And then I have some ginger as well. So I'm going it easy on the ginger because I don't want my baby to be fussy after drinking my breast milk, okay? And then I have some freshly squeezed orange juice. I'm going to be blending all these and straining it, and then I'll set it aside and later on add it to my sobolo. Okay, so now the sobolo is ready. I'm going to also strain this, and then with the juice, I'm going to add in my blended ingredients that I showed you earlier. So though I had given my blended fruits a first strain, I'm going to go ahead and strain it a second time because I want it to be very, very smooth. I don't want any chaff in there, okay? If this is your first time coming across my channel, hello, my name is Yasmi, and you're so welcome to join the family by subscribing and turning on your notification bell so that every time I post a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified. If you're a returning subscriber as well, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. And again, I'm also on all other social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, formerly right, now called X. I'm also on TikTok, Instagram. Please find the links to those social media handles in the description box. And do follow me there as well. Also, if you've watched to this point, please consider giving me a thumbs up. No, not consider. Please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment down below when you are done watching. Also, share this video when you are done watching. So, by way of information, pregnant women are advised against drinking Sobolo because it can cause a miscarriage or you can have a preterm baby if you drink it as often. So, that's why I stayed away from it during my 37 weeks of pregnancy. But now I can enjoy it. So now that I've strained my fruits into my sobolo, I'll give it a good mix and allow it to sit and cool down completely before bottling and putting it in the fridge. Also, you can drink it as warm as it is. People enjoy it that way as well. Or if you want, without putting it in the fridge, just get some ice cubes into your glass and then pour yourself some of this refreshing sugar-free drink. So this is me saying cheers to the good life. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below and share. And as always, keep blooming.